Hi guys, today we will learn about how to find an area of triangle, rectangle and a square. First, we start with a triangle. What is a triangle? Triangle is a three-side figure. The sum of all sides is equal to 180. The formula for the area of the triangle is base times height and divide by 2. As you can see at here, this is an example of a triangle. Identify the height and the base length. Let's go to first example. What is the area of this triangle? First, identify the height and the base length. Enter it into a formula and divide by 2. You will get the answer. Let's go to the second example. Find the area of right angle triangle and give your answer in centimeter. Okay, like usual, identify the height and the base length. Apply it into the formula, half times base times height, and you will get the answer 189 centimeters squared. For area of square and a rectangle. A square is the four right angle sides that have same length of all sides. As you can see, the length of the square is same for all sides. For rectangle, it is four right angle sides that have same side with their opposite one. It is the length from here to here is same, like here to here. So let's go to an example. But before that, area of the rectangle and the square are using the same formula, which is base times height. For example 1, find the area of rectangle with base of 3 meter and height 2 centimeter in centimeter. Apply it into a formula. Base is 3 meter, but the answer 1 u in centimeter. As usual, you have to change the unit first. As you know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So it will be the 300 centimeter times height. It will be 600 centimeter square. Square is a unit for an area. So let's go to an example 2. Given the length and base of square is 4 cm, find the area of the square. As usual, you have to apply the length of all sides. It is same length, so you have to 4 times 4, and you will get the answer 16 centimeter squared. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Nazmi and welcome to our channel. So today I'm gonna show you guys on the way to find the area of a trapezoid. And let's go through this slide. And so the trapezoid by definition is a four-sided figure with one pair of parallel lines. You got this figure right here, and it has four sides, and these two lines right here is parallel with each other. So you see, sometimes trapezoid is called trapezium in different countries, like my country, Malaysia. So let's move on to the formula to find the area of a trapezoid. So the area to find the area of trapezoid is equal to half times base 1 plus base 2 times height. You got this trapezoid right here, and this up line right here is the base 1, this bottom line right here is the base 2, and you got the height right here. The height must be perpendicular to the baseline, and in this video I will provide you 3 examples to find the area of trapezoid, to find the base, and to find the height, but still using the same formula. So let's go to the example 1. Example 1 asks us to find the area of a trapezoid whose bases are 10 inches and 15 inches, and the height of this trapezoid is 8 inches. So I have drawn this trapezoid right here. The base 1 is 10 inches, the base 2 is 15 inches, and the height of this trapezoid is 8 inches. So by using the formula to find the area of a trapezoid, which is the area is equal to half times base 1 plus base 2 times height, we just need to use the information given in the question and just substitute it in this formula. So let's do this, and this area for this trapezoid is equal to half times 10 inches, which is the base 1 right here, plus 15 inches, the base 2 right here, times 8 inches, the height of this trapezoid, and we will got the area for this trapezoid is 70 inches square. So let's move on to example number 2. Example number 2 is we need to find the height of a trapezoid with the area of 50 inches square, and the bases for this triangle, for this trapezoid, are 5 and 8 inches respectively. So we got this trapezoid right here. The base 1 is 5 inches, the base 2 is 8 inches, and the area for this trapezoid is 50 inches square. So still using the same formula, which is the area is equal to half times base 1 plus base 2 times height, and with the same method we just need to substitute the information given in the question to the formula, which is the area for this trapezoid is 50 inches square is equal to half times the base 1, which is 5 inches, plus base 2, which is this one, the 8 inches, times height. And to find the height, we will got, when you calculate it, we got the height is 7.69 inches. So let's move on to example number 3. Example number 3 asks us to find the base of a trapezoid with the area of 85 inches, height of 5 inches, and the other base is 9 inches. So we got this trapezoid right here, with the base 1 right here is 9 inches, the area for this trapezoid is 85 inches square, and the height of this trapezoid is 5 inches. So the question asks us to find the base 2 right here. So using the formula, area is equal to half times base 1 plus base 2 times height, we just need you to use the information in the question and substitute it. The area for this trapezoid is 85 inches square is equal to half times the base 1 right here, 9 inches, plus the base 2, which is what we need to find, and times 5 inches, the height. So when we calculate it, base 1 plus 9 inches is equal to 85 inches square times 2 divided by 5, and we'll got the height, the base 2 for this, the base 2 right here for this trapezoid is 25 inches. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, you can subscribe it and like it down. Thank you.
Hi, my name is haiqal firdaus Lazim. Today I'm going to teach you about a circle and its properties. So firstly, do you know about what is the circle? So a circle is a simple shape of either coordinate geometry that is a set of all points in the plane that are at a given distance from a given point, the center. The distance between any of the point and the center is called the radius. It's also be defined as a locus of a point equidistant from a fixed point. A circle is a simple closed curve which divided the plane into two regions, an exterior and an exterior. In everyday use, the term circle may be used interchangeably. to refer to either the boundary of the figure or to the whole figure including its interior. Its strict technical usage, the circle is a former and the latter is called a disc. So, what is arc? Arc is any connected part of the circle. Center is the point equidistant from the point on the circle, while chord is a line segment whose endpoint lie on the circle. Circumference is the length of one circle along the circle, or the distance around the circle. Diameter is a line segment whose endpoint lie on the circle and which passes through the center, or the length is such as the segment which is largest distance between any 2 points on the circle. It is a special case of a chord, namely the longest chord is twice the radius. So radius is the line segment joining the center of the circle to any point of the circle itself, or the length of the such as segment which are half the diameter. A region bound sector is a region bounded by two radius and arc laying between the radius. Segment is a region not containing the center, bounded by a chord and an arc lying between the chord's endpoint. Semicircle is a region bounded by diameter and an arc lying between the diameter's endpoint. It is a special case of the segment, namely the largest one, while this last one is the tangent as a coplanar straight line that touches the circle at the single point. So, this is the formula. First formula is the length of the circumference. This is indicated by the C. Circumference or C is equal to 2 pi r or pi d. So, this is a radius pi. Pi is a fixed amount such as 3.142. So we must, if you want to determine the circumference, so we use this formula. So this is a formula for area, which is the pi r square. So if we find this area, we must identify the radius. So we can using this formula we can sub to find the area. So this is a sector of the circle. This is the arc, this is a sector, and this is a segment. For the full circle, the formula is the pi r square. So for the area we must use the theta divided by 2 pi divided by the pi and r square. So or we just use the theta over 2 times r square, or we just use area equal to half r square theta. So this is the sector. If we want to define the sector, we must use this angle. For example, the bore or the inside diameter of the certain aircraft engine cylinder is a 5 inch. Find the area of the cross section of the cylinder. So first we have to identify what the question gives us. So firstly is give a diameter. So we must, if the meter we must divide by 2, so we get the radius. So area is equal to pi r square. So we must sub the radius into the formula, so we can get the answer. So in this case it's 5 inches, so divided by 2, so it is equal to 2.5 square. So pi times by 2.5 in the bracket square root, so we get a 90.635 square inch. So that's all for me. Thank you for watching.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Aliff, and today I'd like to teach you guys about ellipse. So, what is ellipse actually, guys? What is an ellipse? So, ellipse is basically a regular oval shape traced by a point moving on a plane, so that the sum of its distance from two other points, which is known as the foci, is constant, or resulting when a cone is cut by an oblique plane which does not intersect the base. So basically it's just like an oval shape. So here's the shape. Similar, isn't it? So here there is a minor axis and a major axis. and a co-vertex and a vertex. And you guys might think, what is A and B actually? So first, B is actually a distance from center to a co-vertex. Here, center to the co-vertex. While A is a distance from center to a vertex. Clear? Good. Next, the perimeter of an ellipse. So the formula for the perimeter of an ellipse is 2 times pi times the square root of a squared plus b squared over 2. So here's some information. Pi is equals to 3.142. A equals to the major axis and b equals to the minor axis. Next. So here's some example for you guys. Question is, find the perimeter of the ellipse. So here a diagram and some information been given. So A equals to 2 meters while B is 4 meters. Simply substitute into the perimeter of the ellipse formula. 2 times pi times square root of a squared plus b squared over 2. Substituted 2 times 3.142 times square root of 2 square plus 4 square over 2. And we will got 6.284 times 3.16. And the final answer is 19.87 meters. Simple, isn't it? Next, find the area of an ellipse. So for area of an ellipse has its own formula, guys. So simple. Area of an ellipse equals to pi times a times b, which is pi equals to 3.142. A equals to major axis here, and b is minor axis. Okay, let's go to the example. So find the area of the ellipse from the information given. So there's a diagram here and the information being given. Just like before, A equals to 2 meters while B equals to 4 meters. Substituted into the formula of the area of an ellipse. Pi times A times B. Substituted 3.142 times 2 times 4. Press the calculator and you'll get 25.2316 meters square. Simple, isn't it? So that's all I think. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everybody. My name is Muhammad Ammar bin Abdul Halim and I'm from 1BMA3. So my topic for this video is trigonometry, which is subtopic 3.3, which is circle and its properties. My part is about the wing area. So today I'm going to show you guys on how to calculate the wing area. First of all, to describe the shape of a wing, several terms are required. To calculate the wing area, it will be necessary to know these two things, which is span and chord. So as you can see on the slide, the diagram here shows us the example of the wing of an aircraft. The length from the wingtip to another wingtip is we call span, and the length from the trailing edge to the ending edge we call as an average chord. So wingspan is actually the length of the wing from the wingtip to wingtip, while the chord is the average width of the wing from leading edge to the trailing edge. If the wing is tapered wing, the average width, known as the mean chord C, must be known to find the area. So, what is the formula to find the wing area? The area to find the wing area is span times with mean chord. Since the area of a wing is large, so we use feet as the unit. So the formula to calculate the wing area is area equals to span times mean chord. Meanwhile, 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. So I will provide you guys a few examples after this to increase our understanding on this subtopic. So the first example, find the area of a tapered wing whose span is 50 feet and whose mean chord is 6 feet and 8 inches. So to solve this kind of question, first we must extract the information given by the question. The diagram, we can draw the diagram like this. The chord is 6 feet and 8 inches and the span is 50 feet. Okay, since the chord is 6 feet and 8 inches, we can convert the 8 inches to feet by dividing the 8 inches into over 12. So by dividing 8 over 12, we can get 0.67 feet. So now the total chord is 6.67 feet. By using the formula area equals to span times with chord, we just substitute the value of the span and chord into the formula. So 50 times with 6.67 feet, you can get 333.5 feet square. That is the answer for this question, everyone. So next example, find the mean chord when the area of the wing is 400 feet square and the span is 60 feet. This question is a little bit weird because it asks us to find the mean chord and it's given us area of the wing and the span. So we can do it like this. First we draw the diagram of the area of the wing. So this is 60 feet, this is the unknown. So by using the same formula, area is equal to span times chord, we can rearrange the formula to find the chord. After we arrange the formula, we can obtain that chord is equal to area divided by span. So we just substitute the value of the area and span, which is 460 feet respectively. So 400 divided by 60, we can get an answer to the chord, which is 6.67 feet. So that is the answer for this question. Okay, for the final example that I want to give you guys, the area of the wing is 350 feet square, while the mean chord is 8 feet. Find the span. So this question asks us to find the wingspan of the wing. Well, it has given us a wing area and the mean chord. So we can do it as the previous question. Okay, like this. We must first we can draw the wing to make us more clear about the question. Okay, so the formula, the basic formula is area equals to span times with chord. We have the area of 350 feet square and the chord 8 feet. So we can rearrange the formula to make we make the span as a subject and the area and chord is after that. So span is equal to area over chord, which is the value of area and chord is 350 feet square and 8 feet respectively. So we can divide 350 feet square over 8 feet to get the answer for this span. So for this question, the answer is 43.75 feet. So that's the answer for this question. Okay, I guess that's all for me. Thank you for watching my video and I hope you understand what I'm talking about just now. I hope you can master the topic about wing area. So if you like my video, you can subscribe to my video. Thank you for watching. Bye.